Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be installing some step rails from Oedro on this 2012 Chevy Silverado. It came in well organized and beautifully packaged. Instructions, hardware, those are our mounting brackets, and then our step rails underneath of there. Here's the before shot of the truck. Let's get this unboxed and see what the rails look like. I like that these come labeled, driver's side and passenger side. Here we go, got them all unboxed. I like the black texture on it. I got this rail where I want it, so now it's time to tighten down these brackets first. That makes everything level this way. And then we'll snug up our hardware here and here on all three brackets. All right, here's our final product, people. There we go, they lined up nicely. Look good on the truck. That's a wrap for the Oedro step rails, 2007 to 2018 Chevy Silverado.